Every release cycle, I used to spend 45 minutes writing release notes, pulling commit messages, formatting changelogs, writing summaries. I automated the entire thing with Claude and a GitHub Action. Here's the exact setup. If you're a release engineer, you know the drill. You tag a release. Now you need to explain what changed. You dig through 40 commits, half of which say fix stuff. You cross-reference Jira tickets. You write something that sounds professional, and nobody reads it anyway. Here's the weapon. One YAML file. Drop it in your repo and forget it exists. The second you push a version tag, this thing wakes up, scans your Git history, grabs every commit since your last release, and dumps it straight into Claude's API. 20 seconds later, professional release notes. Written, posted, done. You didn't touch a thing. The prompt is the whole game. Here's what I use. I tell Claude the repo name, the version number, and the raw commits. I tell it to write for developers, not product managers. No marketing language. Just what changed and why. 30 lines. Walk with me. Top. Trigger only on vstar tags. This won't fire on your random Tuesday commits. We fetch full Git history to actually compare against the last tag. Commit log gets extracted and piped straight into the API call. Claude reads it, writes the notes. Last step drops the output directly into your GitHub release body. That's the whole machine. 30 lines. Here it is in action. We tag the release and push. The workflow fires immediately. Claude reads the last 23 commits, writes the diff into a prompt, and streams the release notes back. You never wrote a word of that. Setup took me 2 hours including testing. Saves me 45 minutes per release, roughly twice a week. That's 6 hours a month I got back. The output is better than what I was writing manually because it's consistent and it never forgets a commit. If you're building side income with tech skills, this is the pattern. Find a repetitive task, automate it, then productize the automation. I'm considering turning this into a paid GitHub Action or a SaaS tool. The demand is there. That's the full move. 30 lines of YAML, 1 commit, and release notes write themselves. Forever. Grab the file in the description. New automation every week. Subscribe to keep up. This is deploy or die. Now go ship something.